Here at Oxidean Marine, we have our own exclusive factory that builds only our boats, parts, and accessories. We hear a lot of weird crap on Facebook. People just saying this person makes our boats, that person makes our boats. And we want you guys to know the truth. We want you guys to know what's really going on, not with Facebook propaganda. I'm not going too far in depth, but I'm going to show you our own exclusive factory and some of the process of how our boats are made. Man, I don't want you guys misled by what those dorks on Facebook are saying. Join me to get the real deal. Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio control model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio control boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Now, so when you guys think I'm bullshitting about my own factory, I can't make this up. You really thought I was bullshitting? Look at all these scorpions. I mean, who else's stuff is this? Okay? You think I'm bullshitting, huh? We are not bullshitting, man. You know what I mean? We are not bullshitting with anybody. We're doing the damn thing. We got plenty in store for you. Oh my God. Yeah, we're doing it. We are doing it. You want to see something cool? Here's some black scorpions in production. I shouldn't show you guys too much because people start wanting shit that we haven't even put out yet, but look at the reinforcements in there. Our scorpions are built very well, extremely well. If you take a look. Battery trays. Notice they say Oxidean. Notice everything in this motherfucker says Oxidean. I wish these people would quit lying, man. Ooh, nice. Yes. You guys want to see where flex shafts come from? If there's any question whether we're the man with flex shafts, this should give you an indication, okay? These are all Oxidean Marine. Don't get me wrong, I make them for some other companies, but we make them for other companies. Let me give you guys a little example of how much the flex shaft man we are. See all these spools of cable? Spools upon spools upon spools upon spools of cable. See all these flex cables? All these flex shafts? Shit, we might start making them for our competitors. Scorpions in production. Jim, how's this for boxes? Yeah, we have boxes. And here's the foam. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh wow. Hi kitty. Here I am at the Oxidean factory. I actually slept here last night because it's different here. I couldn't get a hotel unless I registered with the police department. It's crazy. They don't let foreigners just stay the night here. But what's cool is I slept at the factory and it's just like home. My house has RC boats everywhere. I sleep with RC boats in my bedroom and it's just really cool. But yeah, I slept in the warehouse. The Oxidean motors. Look at all these mini dome shafts. Hell of them, dude. We have a lot of everything, man. We have enough to make a lot of boats. This morning we're laying up hulls. This is a Rampage being pulled out of the mold right now. He's waxing the parting line. This is a Dominator that just got undebagged. 2 magnums that were freshly joined. And the seam is curing. In this room, magnums are being laid up. More molds. Here's a big mold we did for a government research project. This is a little mini Dom mold. If you'll notice, there's only my products in this whole factory. There's carbon cloth, a little bit of fiberglass cloth, big roll of carbon Kevlar cloth. Look at these magnums. Again, like I said, everything in this building is mine. Sponsons, big old beast. You come in here. Nothing but Oxidean boats. Scorpions. Hatches. All these Dominators. A lot of them. Damn, that's a lot of Dom holes. A lot of gel coat Dominators. A lot of carbon calves. A lot of magnums and rampages. Magnums and a rampage. Yep. Now when you hear that garbage on Facebook, you guys can just laugh. The truth is we are much stronger than any of our competitors. They're just selling boats. We are hands-on with our factory. Listen up, man. My factory is even much bigger in size than what I'm showing you in this video. It's a 3-story tall building. We have a lot of parts and materials backed up to make boats. As you see, my factory is very strong and fully staffed with personnel. We have our own factory and our own distribution center. None of my facilities are shared. They're all genuine, exclusively Oxidean Marine. Again, what I've established with your help is much stronger than anyone else out there. We are the future of electric model boating. Oh yeah, time for some grilled oysters. They are delicious. Oysters and beer, sign me up. These are the last 3 of these oysters I get to eat till I come back here, man. But I'm telling you what, man, these oysters are delicious. Well, this about sums it up for this segment of our tour of our factory. Again, remember, when you hear that nonsense on Facebook, you know different now. What I've built is something that shocks many people. People don't truly understand what I've put together, a full corporation. Many people could only dream to have something like that, so their imagination runs wild with their jealousy on social media and Facebook and stuff like that. I could have bought a Porsche or something, but I put all of my funds back into this sport because I love it. And I love the hell out of you guys for supporting this venture. If you like this realness, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxtein over and out.